Hey guys, today I woke up to a screaming loud sound coming from my printer, and I think I know what it is. It's a no problem, it's a no issue about the Sovol SV06, about the cable release, cable tension relief in the bed, and I think I know how to fix it because my original Prusa MK3 has the same problem and I fixed the same way, and it's going hard to 2 or 3 years after the fixing. I will do a voiceover because English is not my primary language, and this will start now disassembling a little parts of the printer, and let's try to fix that. What's my plan? I pre-did this cable loom that is only 2 cables with a mesh, and my plan is to cut down the cable sensor that's right here and solder a new one, that's this one, in the bed, and solder in the lead because I don't have the tools to crimp it correctly. Okay, let's try to do that. You cut in a part that I can salvage the connector. That will be more or less here. Soldering on this cable. Too much soldering here, but okay. Don't make so much difference. I'm using a lighter to and let's try it. It's showing the temp now, and before was not showing, was only showing error. What's the next step? It's to assemble everything that I disassemble. It was cheap and easy to do this repair for me. I had this issue before with my Prusa, but I truly recommend you following the Sovol guidelines to repair because can be the bad heater and not the bad thermistor. I truly recommend you to see the description or the pin comment to see how to install a strain relief in the bed that will make this a permanent solution, a long-term solution. I was a little dumb because my workbench is 110 volts and my final printer position is 220, and because that I forgot to change the switch in the PSU and the PSU burned down. But in this next video you can see the repair guide to change the PSU to a meanwhile one and upgrade the fans to a better 15 fans. Let's see you there.